Fireman Steve here today with Alpha Exchange. Today we're going to be going over Coincatch, a step-by-step guide on how to use the exchange from signing up to depositing to opening a spot order to transferring and doing a futures order, as well as a guide on how to get a deposit bonus when you sign up with Coincatch. At the end, stick around because I'm going to show you how you have a chance to win 800 Soul. Let's get started here with signing up. So, for the next 12 days, we are going to be offering, in partnership with Coincatch, $8,300 bonus. Okay? So, what you're going to do is going to click that link to sign up in the description. You're going to go register now. It's going to pop up this screen here. You're going to sign up with an email, password. You're going to make sure that the referral code is KD7M, okay? It's the only way that you're going to be able to get this deposit bonus is to use that code KD7M. After you registered, you're going to come back to this page here. You're going to see that there is 3 steps for you to earn those bonuses, okay? Number 1, you're going to get $150 just for signing up and doing 3 simple tasks. You're going to deposit $100. You're going to make a trade in futures. And you're going to do a cumulative volume of $5,000 to get another 100. Okay, so that's $150 just to do 3 simple things. On top of that, okay, if you make a deposit, the first 500 people make a deposit, you're going to get 20% of your deposit back up to a maximum of $300. This is where the real money comes in, okay? During this, as you can see, if you trade $100,000 in volume, you're going to get $25. $500,000, $50. $2,200,000. $5,000,000, $500,000. 45 million, 5,000, 80 million, $8,000 bonus. You might be like, hey, Steve, that seems like a lot. This is cumulative based on trading volume, okay? Not dollar amount. It is cumulative. So let's say you open a trade at 10x with $50. That is $500 in volume right there. So think about it. You do multiple trades like that. It adds up very, very fast. Okay? Next, we're going to be going over how to go and place those trades. So, after you sign up, you're going to go to Coincatch's main page. You're going to hit the Coincatch logo in the top left. It's going to bring you here to the main page. You're like, okay, this is pretty simple. To get that first task, the deposit button that you see right here, you're going to select whatever you feel like you're depositing off of your onboarding. BTC, ETH, USDT, Litecoin. There's hundreds and hundreds and hundreds that you can do. For myself, USDT, Solana, they seem to be the cheapest and easiest to do. So after you go and make that deposit, we're going to go here to assets, and we're going to wait here until we see our deposit come through. It takes a little bit of time, right? After you do that, we're going to go to spot. Let's say you have Bitcoin, okay? You have Bitcoin. You want to come over here to spot, and you're going to want to sell it for USDT, okay? When you sell that Bitcoin for USDT, then from there, we're going to go over to futures trading. Now in the futures trading tab, there's a whole list. There's 2 ways to go and look at available tokens that are available to trade in futures. As you can see, you can hit this little arrow at the top here, okay? And you can see all the different kinds of tokens and coins that are available to trade futures with. Now that's USDT-M futures. Now, there is CoinM futures. With CoinM futures, you're trading the underlying asset. So let's say you want to trade BTC, Bitcoin, right? So you can go and you can trade Bitcoin and it will settle in Bitcoin. So let's do an example here, okay? We're going to go to isolate it. We'll do 10x. That's fine. For myself, you know what? Let's just stick to what I like. I like 13x leverage, right? I'm just going to show a little bit of a demonstration here. We're going to go and I'm going to open up a tiny trade, okay? A little tiny trade. It's going to cost me 0.2 BTC to open up a position that's 2.5 BTC. Again, this is just to show you how it works. We're going to play, I like this, confirm. We market bought the order now, okay? Market bought the order. As we come down here, you see your position. You'll see my position size is 2.55 BTC. Open price is 66,190. The fair market value price is 66,191. This is the margin that I have invested, so the underlying margin that I put up before leverage, okay? After leverage, this is the total position. Here you're going to have your realized profits, your unrealized, okay? And your margin ratio to help you determine your liquidation. So we have open orders here, so any orders that are open will pop up here. So let's show an example. Let's do a limit order at 66,000, okay? 66,000 for the same thing. We're just going to have that there at 66,000. You see how it says open long. Under that, you're going to see that there's a limit order here for that order at 66,000 for 2.5 BTC. Awesome. Let's go back over to this position here. They have a cool feature where, like, hey, I want to take profit. So you can choose 25, 50, 75, or 100% of the position, okay? So let's say, hey, I want to take profit at 66,260. I'm going to close out 25% of that position. We're going to hit close here. We're going to come up here. Let's zoom out. You see this red line right here? To close out 25% of the position at 66,260. If we go to open positions, you'll see that there's a limit order sitting there, okay? Now, as we're waiting for this, we'll leave that go. That's on CoinM. We'll wait for that to happen. I am going to go and cancel this one at 66,000. All right. We have the order at 66,260. Let me put another one in at 66,325 to close out the remaining of the positions. Now that's CoinM. Okay. Now let's get into USDT-M futures, right? CoinM only offers a few underlying assets to trade with, but USDT is the bread and butter for futures trading, and it settles in USDT. As you can see, there is plentiful amount of tokens, like I said before, to trade. For myself, I love Solana, and as you know, like I said, there is a chance to win 800 SOL. I'll tell you about that at the end of the video. So we have a SOL position here. Let's put a limit order in at 130. We'll market buy it so you can see what it looks like. We'll market buy, okay, 10x on Solana. We'll just enter a little 160 SOL position, okay? We market bought that. And then let's set up how I would do this. Our entry is 130.88. The market price right now is 130.69. I put up $2,100 basically margin. Position size is 160 SOL. Unrealized, you see that ROE, unrealized margin ratio, okay? But we're going to set up a ladder system that I like for taking profits. So let's do that. We're going to close out 25 at 131.05. We're going to do 131.20. Then 130.35 ladder system, okay? We're going to have that there. I have a ladder system, right? Then we're also going to go and hit this take profit stop loss, okay? I'm going to hit unclick take profit because I want to put a stop loss in. Little handy bar right here. We're going to put a stop loss at 22%, okay? For myself, again, this is what I like. is 22% stop loss. We'll go and put that in as well. And you'll see when the price reaches $128, I will be stopped out. And that is under open orders. Here's the limit order sitting here. You'll see the take profit stop orders is right here. Now you're wondering, well, you have take profits up there. I do as limit orders, right? We did that as a quick feature here. If you want to have those show up under the section of take profit and stop loss, what we're going to do is, we can do that now. We go here. I'm just going to hit cancel all. Boom. Cancel them all. We're going to go in here, and we're going to do TP stop loss in batches, okay? Let's uncheck the stop loss here. We're going to go here, and we are going to do at 131.05. We're going to close out 25%. Boom. Perfect. Confirm. We're going to go back here again. We're going to uncheck stop loss. We're going to do 131.20. We're going to close out 25% of the remaining positions. So we'll do 40. So each one's 40%. Boom. Here again. Take profit, stop loss, and batches. Uncheck that stop loss there. And we are going to do 131. Let's just say 40. And we'll close out the remaining positions, okay? Boom. So you'll see here, right? 80, 40, 40 as take profits or stop losses down here. With that, you can grab your stop loss. Let's say you want to move it up into a stop take. So we're in profit, right? We're going to go ahead and we're going to move that up as soon as we get into profit a good amount, right? So as soon as this position, the first TP gets hit, boom, there you go. You'll see top right here. It tells you position was closed, right? Second one's about to be hit. We're going to take this stop loss, and we're going to turn the stop loss into a stop take. We're going to put that right there, okay? So no matter what, at least we're closing the position out in profit. Boom. You see like that? It came down. It closed the position out. The remaining balance is in profit. Very simple and easy to do, okay? You can also set these limits beforehand. So you have your position here and say, oh, okay, I want to enter here. We're going to hit take profit, stop loss. We'll do take profit 131.50, stop loss at 128. 128. And we're going to buy along, right? So we bought along. I put the order in higher than what the price is now and executed it at the market price, right? I did that on purpose just so it will fill. And you can see that it's placed in before the trade was even there, so I don't have to worry about going back after the trade is available. Now what I can do here is I want to hit flash close, okay? Boom, flash close. It closes the position out at the best available price available, okay? Closes it out. Now we're going to go and hit the reverse button now, okay? So now I'm going to worry about doing the take profit or stop loss. Go here, hit confirm. Oh, it's a limit order. Sorry, let's go to market real fast so I can show you this. All right, market order, boom. We're in a long, okay? We're in a long. I'm going to hit reversal, okay? What reversal does is it closes your order out at market price and market opens an order going in reverse. So we're in a long. I'm going to hit reverse, okay? It comes up with a disclaimer. You say, I understand. I'm going to close out the full position. Hit confirm. Market sold the long. Market opened a short. It's amazing, especially in high volatility times. It can help you. You ride the wick candle up, ride the candle down. We're just going to flash close that out. Let's go back over to our coin M and take a look at that to see how we're doing. We're pretty much at our entry that we had. Hasn't really moved any, right? We're going to go and we're going to flash close this, right? I took a little bit of a hit. It was a little negative. It is what it is. It's okay. the way I look at it is you don't trade with your whole portfolio. That's a whole nother thing we can get into another video. Then there's copy trading here. Okay. Now, if you want, they offer copy trading. What you can do is you can go through here and look at overall rankings of how people are doing. All you have to do is hit the follow button on them. And what it does is it opens up trades around parameters that you set with stop losses and take profits in a percent wise on the orders that they have, right? We can go by followers here, and it has everyone that's following, ROI, right? How much ROI have they been doing over the last 7 days? Overall ranking seems to be the best if you want to follow that. Again, with copy trading, just know the risk that you do impose when you do copy trade someone, okay? Always, always, always trade with the amount that you're able to lose, okay? Now, next thing we're going to go over is proof of reserves, okay? So, out of all the reserves on Coincatch, they have over the amount that's on their exchange. They have 175.33% of reserves, okay? Now, you have a breakdown of 156.65% of BTC, 185% of USDT, 141% of ETH, 191% of USDC. You can go, I want to verify. You hit verify, and it has the snapshot, and it'll come up with the Markle tree for that. Amazing stuff. Amazing stuff. Let's go back to the main page here. Now, after you go and you sign up, right, you're going to hit this reward center here, okay? What the reward center is going to do is when you go and complete the task of the sign up bonus, right, you're going to see them here. So as you hear, we can go to reward history, right? And any rewards that you have are going to pop up here. This is a brand new account, so there isn't any rewards or anything like that yet. But the thing is when you complete those, they're going to fall under here, and you're going to have a coupon, and you're going to hit accept coupon, and it's going to pop up with your rewards that you have. Now, here's the exciting part, okay? Here's the exciting part that I was telling you about. Quick overview of the exchange. I love it. I've been using it for a while. A lot of people in my community love it. They've been using it since I started using it. As a community, it's great. Customer service is on point. Easy UI, right? Perfect. Now let's get into what I've been talking about that you've all been waiting for. Registration opens in 13 hours. By the time you see this video, it will be open though. What you're going to do is you're going to click the link in the description, okay? You have to be signed up though with our referral to get in on this. 800 soul prize pool, okay? Registration opens on March 7th and it runs to the 20th. The competition itself runs from March 8th to March 21st. There's going to be multiple ways to win, okay? By profit. So USDT profit wise, okay? Here's the breakdown of everything that goes in for that. First place is 30%, second place 20%, third place 10%, 4 through 10 splits 40%. Now, P&L ratio, so the percent of profits, same thing, breaking down 30, 20, 10, 40% between fourth and 10th place. But there's more, okay? There's more. That is pretty good. So let's go down here. Let's go down here. Prize pool and rewards. So, first place is going to be here, broken up in those categories. Then additionally, we're going to come down here to the terms of service. To get that, to qualify during that, is you are going to have to do $50,000 in cumulative volume to qualify for this competition. A little additional information, okay? For the prize pool by earnings, there's 480 SOL up for grabs that will be split between the 10 people here by profit. Now for the P&L, we're going to have 240 SOL up to grab split between everybody. Now here is the bonus though. Everyone that signs up for the competition and reaches $50,000 in cumulative value, the volume, will take part in an 80 SOL pool that will distribute out to everybody. So it doesn't even matter if you come into the top 10 with this. As long as you participate, you can win part of that 80 SOL for just participating. Okay? Think about that. You're trading anyway, right? So why not trade and have the opportunity to get some SOL? It's free money. We all love free money, right? I know I do. But anyway, hey, thank you again. All the links are going to be in the description. Shout out to Coincatch, awesome platform. You can catch us on Twitch as well, live 24/7 at twitch.tv/Alpha Exchange. Links are in the description. Don't forget to hit the like and sub button. Take care. Much love.